In a significant leap forward for Turkish aerospace engineering, the Bayraktar Kizilelma PT-4 has successfully demonstrated its afterburner-assisted takeoff capabilities. The breakthrough was publicly shared by Baykar chairman Selçuk Bayraktar via social media on May 24, 2025, marking a pivotal moment in the development of Turkey's next-generation unmanned combat aircraft. The maneuver, formally dubbed the Afterburner Takeoff Aerodynamic System Identification Test, is part of a broader series of trials to fine-tune the aircraft's propulsion and aerodynamic performance. This test validated the drone's capacity for high-thrust takeoffs over short distances, a vital feature for operations on compact airfields or ski-jump-equipped naval platforms. A homegrown innovation by Turkish defense company Baykar, the Kizilelma embodies the country's strategic focus on unmanned air warfare. Developed entirely within Turkey, the drone reflects the evolution of Baykar from a tactical UAV manufacturer to a leader in autonomous aerial combat platforms. With automation, stealth features, and multi-role capabilities, the Kizilelma is positioned to redefine Turkey's aerial combat doctrine. The aircraft boasts a maximum payload of 1.5 tons and an all-up weight of 8.5 tons. It cruises comfortably at Mach 0.6 and can push up to Mach 0.9. Its range extends 500 nautical miles, and it can operate at altitudes up to 45,000 feet, maintaining endurance for missions exceeding 3 hours. Its dimensions, 14.5 meters in length, a 10-meter wingspan, and 3.5 meters in height, reflect a design optimized for reduced radar signature and aerial agility. Powered by a turbofan engine, the drone handles all flight phases autonomously, including taxiing, takeoff, cruising, and landing. These autonomous features are crucial for survivability and effectiveness in contested operational zones. Advanced onboard systems enhance its battlefield versatility. These include an electro-optical targeting unit, IRST, infrared search and track, and a cutting-edge AESA radar. The platform is weapons-compatible with a broad spectrum of munitions, from laser-guided bombs to long-range cruise missiles, enabling it to undertake varied mission profiles with precision. The Afterburner test represents more than just a technological milestone, it signals readiness for carrier-based or constrained runway deployment, a capability more commonly seen in manned fighter jets. It underscores the Kizilelma's role as a high-performance UCAV that challenges traditional boundaries between manned and unmanned air power. This advancement also signals Baykar's transition from tactical drone manufacturer to a contender in the high-end combat drone market. It aligns with Turkey's strategic pivot from importing UAVs to becoming a key global supplier. The operational successes of its predecessors, the TB2 and Akinci, in theaters such as Ukraine, Syria, and the Caucasus, laid the groundwork for this next phase. As Turkey positions itself among the elite nations capable of producing long-range, stealth-capable, autonomous UCAVs, the Kizilelma PT-4 becomes not only a symbol of technological prowess but also a cornerstone of national defense autonomy. With serial production expected to commence before its planned induction into service in 2026, the Kizilelma is poised to transform both Turkey's military landscape and its place in the global defense industry.